guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today I have a faucet in the shower that broke. The mechanism inside that actually closes and opens the valve has completely broken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change this yourself for a fairly cheap price without having to call a plumber. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like and how I remove the tile as well. Alright, as you see here, the mechanism that's inside of this broke, so it doesn't open or close the valve. So instead of breaking the wall from the other side, I ended up actually removing the grout all the way around with the multi-tool, or you can use a Dremel as well. Now what I initially used was, this, which is called a universal quick fit, right? And this is designed to actually cut up the grout, right? So I used this first to remove all the grout, and then I changed the tool, right, to this one here. I don't know what it's, I think it's the wood and metal, in order for me to cut through the actual drywall itself, right? Okay, so, you know, once that's done, I was able to actually remove this panel, as you see here, and I'm able to actually get to the plumbing part. Okay, so I figured that these guys here are a ½ inch, right? So in order for me to replace this particular valve part here, I would need to buy a whole new set of shower head with the open and close and all that. So let me show you. Okay, so I ended up buying this one here. The reason I had to buy this one here, even though I don't have a drainage, right, is because the one that's in there, it's really 4, right? It has 4 inputs, right, for the valves to go in, right? So I needed to buy one that would, you know, have the similar design. So we come over here, you notice here that you have the top, the 2 sides, and then the bottom, right? So I'll kind of show you what it looks like, right? So I'm gonna cut these out now, and I'm gonna use SharkBites in order for me to fix this. Okay, so these are SharkBites. The cool thing about SharkBites is that there's no soldering involved. It's basically a CPVC that you push into the pipe itself and it automatically clamps, right? So I already cut out the ½ inch that I'm going to put these SharkBites on, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and start prepping this so I can start switching it. All right, so basically these are the SharkBites, right? This is what it looks like on the inside. What we're gonna do is we're gonna screw these in here. I've added already the plumber's tape, so it'll be easier to go ahead and put these on. So let me go ahead and put those on and show you what it looks like. All right guys, so I went ahead and I placed these pieces in, right, for the SharkBite. And now I'm gonna go ahead and push these pipes in, and then put another set of SharkBites here, so when I do cut the pipe, I can connect everything together. Alright guys, so I ended up putting all the SharkBites in here. Everything's looking great. There's no leaks anywhere. I have the hot water, cold water. This here, I thought this actually went somewhere, but in the end I found out that it went to nothing. They just closed it off like this. And then, you know, obviously I have the shower head that goes up here that shoots. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put all this back together. All right guys, so I went ahead, put it in just to make sure everything works. I'm gonna take it off afterwards and finish it up here, put some grout back in here, get everything aligned again so it doesn't move. And but at least I wanted to make sure it worked, so if I turn it on, you see here the showers actually is working. So yeah, success, that's for sure. All right, so I wanted to show you what it looks like. So instead of, I couldn't find the correct route, so for now I put caulking in here, and it's really on there. So I caulked all this around, all of this. And then when I find the right grout, I'm gonna go ahead and put the grout on here just to mimic that. If not, worst case scenario, I'm gonna see if I can find the color of this and then maybe just paint this, right? But other than that, it was a pretty easy project to do with the SharkBites. I do recommend for you to go ahead and get those SharkBites if you want to do this yourself and save yourself a few $1,000s from a plumber. Well, thanks for watching the Vero projects. I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up for the like, and go ahead and subscribe as well. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody's support throughout the few years. You guys are just helping us out, and I'll see you next time with another great video.